Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to online mathematics class. So in the last class we have started with the exercise 5.1. So let us continue with the next problem. It is the ninth one. So here he has given 1 by 3 plus 3i the whole cube. We have to express this in the form of a plus ib. So after completing the ninth one, we'll take up the 10th problem. So let us solve the ninth one. So it is 1 by 3 plus 3i the whole cube. Now this is there in the form of a plus b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube the formula ಏನೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a plus b the whole cube which is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into the bracket a plus b. So this is the standard known formula. Let us apply now. So it is a cube andra 1 by 3 the whole cube ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So a cube will be 1 by 3 the whole cube plus b cube andra 3i the whole cube ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. 3i the whole cube plus 3ab 3 into a ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 3 ಅದ್ರಿ. Then into b ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3i. It is 3i, then into the bracket a plus b andre 1 by 3 plus 3i. 1 by 3 plus 3i. So we'll simplify this now particular term. So 1 by 3 the whole cube, it is nothing but 1 cube divided by 3 cube. 1 cube andre 1 ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, divided by 3 cube andre 3 into 3 into 3 ರೀ. 3 into 3 into 3 we get 27. So we get 27. Then plus. So here the cube applies to the first term as well as to the second term. 3 cube, it is 27. Then we have I cube. Then so 3 get cancels, plus we have 3i into the bracket 1 by 3 plus 3i. Now in the next step 1 by 27 plus 27, write it as it is. Then what is the value of I cube? I cube is nothing but minus I. So I write minus I here. Then plus I multiply 3i with these two terms. 3i into 1 by 3 plus 3i into 3i. 3i into 3i. So simplify again. So 1 by 27, then this becomes minus 27i. Then so 3 get cancels, I into 1 it is I, that is plus I. Then so 3 into 3 it is 9 plus 9. I into I will be I square. In the next step we have to substitute the value for I square. I square andre enitri? It is minus 1. So now 1 divided by 27, then minus 27i, then it is plus I. Then I square value it is minus 1. Minus 1 into 9 will be minus 9. Minus 9. So we have to group the real part and the imaginary part separately. So here this is equals to 1 by 27 minus 9. 1 by 27 minus 9. These two are the real parts. Then minus 27i plus I will be minus 26i. So it is minus 26i. Then simplify this now. Take up the LCM. 27 will be multiplied with 9. We get 1 minus 243 divided by 27. Then it is minus 26i. Then 1 minus 243 will be minus 242. Minus 242 divided by 27. So here I write plus I into minus 26. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಾಗ ಅದೀಗ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ a plus I b. So this is all about the 9th problem. So take this screenshot or note down this and then we'll move on to the 10th problem. Well, 10th one, it is minus 2 minus 1 by 3 I the whole cube. So I write that problem here. Minus 2, then minus 1 by 3 I the whole cube. So again it is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. Here a is going to be minus 2, b is 1 by 3 into I. So we have the formula a minus b the whole cube, which is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into the bracket a minus b. Let us apply this formula now. So a cube andre minus 2 the whole cube agtadre. This is a cube minus b cube minus b is going to be 1 by 3i. This is b cube. This complete area a minus b the whole cube. Then minus 3ab minus 3 a it is minus 2. A will be minus 2. Then b it is 1 by 3 I. Then into the bracket a minus b, that is minus 2 minus 1 by 3 into I. So simplify this now. Minus 2 the whole cube andre minus 8 ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಇದು. Then minus write it as it is. Then 1 by 3 into I the whole cube. The cube applies to the first term as well as to the second term. 1 by 3 the whole cube into I cube. Then so here 3 and 3 get cancels. Minus into minus it is plus. 2 into I will be 2i. Then I write this as it is minus 2 minus 1 by 3 into I. So simplify this further. Minus 8. Then cube applies to the numerator as well as to the denominator. 1 cube it is 1. 3 cube will be 27. So minus 1 divided by 27. Then what is the value of I cube? It is minus I. Minus I. Then multiply this term with these two. So 2i into minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 4i ಆಗ್ತದೆ. We get minus 4i. Then plus into minus it is minus again. So 2i into 1 by 3i. 2 into 1 by 3 it is 2 by 3. Then I into I will be I square. It is I square. Simplify this further. So here minus 8, then minus into minus plus 1 by 27i, 1 by 27i, then minus 4i. Then what is the value of I square? I square andra minus 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Minus into minus it is plus. We get 2 by 3. So we have to group the real parts and the imaginary parts. Minus 8 and plus 2 by 3 are the real parts, and then 1 by 27i and minus 4i are the imaginary parts. So let us group the real parts now. So it is minus 8 plus 2 by 3. Then in these two terms I take I common. So it is plus I, and then we have 1 by 27 and then minus 4. So we have to simplify further. So let us take up the LCM now. 3 into 8 minus 24 now. Minus 24 plus 2 divided by 3. Then plus I into, so it is 27 into 4. 27 into 4 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ? So it is 28, then 108. So we get 108. 1 minus 108 divided by 27. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? Then simplify both the terms. So here, which is equals to now minus 24 plus 2, it is minus 22. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? minus 22 divided by 3, minus 22 by 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Then plus I as it is, then in the bracket 1 minus 108 will be minus 107 by 27. So this is the required answer for the 10th problem, A plus IB. So now we are moving on to the next question. Well, write the next main question. Find the multiplicative inverse of each of the complex numbers given in exercises 11 to 13. So we have to find the multiplicative inverse. So it is 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i, and then the 12th one root 5 plus 3i, and then 13th one, it is minus i. For these three cases, we will have to find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse andre enitre, it is z inverse, which is equals to 1 by z. So by making use of this concept, we have to find multiplicative inverse. So let us take up the 11th one. So given z which is equals to 4 minus 3i. Then we have to go for z inverse. Z inverse which is equals to 1 by z. So z inverse which is equals to 1 by z. Andra 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i. So z inverse which is equals to 1 divided by 4 minus 3i, then multiply and divide by 4 plus 3i. So now multiply the numerators. Z inverse which is equals to 1 into this term will be 4 plus 3i as it is. Then the denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b will be a square minus b square, that is 4 square minus 3i the whole square. So z inverse which is equals to, write the numerator as it is 4 plus 3i divided by, so 4 square it will be 16, then minus, so here we get 3 square and then I square. So 3 square will be 9 into I square. So what is the value of I square now? It is minus 1. Z inverse which is equals to 4 plus 3i divided by 16. So I square value it is minus 1. Minus into minus will be plus. Andra plus 9 ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಇದು. So now Z inverse which is equals to 4 plus 3i divided by 16 plus 9, it is 25. Now we have to write this in the form of a plus ib. Z inverse which is equals to 4 by 25 plus I into 3 by 25. So This is the required answer for the 11th one. The given complex number it is 4 minus 3i and its multiplicative inverse it is 4 by 25 plus I into 3 by 25. So let us go for the 12th one. Okay, we'll solve the 12th question now. So write the given complex number, it is root 5 plus 3i or i3, both are same. So now I'll go for z inverse, which is equals to 1 by z. So z inverse which is equals to 1 by z. Andre enagtare root 5 plus 3i, root 5 plus 3i. So z inverse which is equals to 1 divided by root 5 plus 3i, then multiply and divide by the opposite sign of the denominator. It is root 5 minus 3i divided by root 5 then minus 3i. So now z inverse which is equals to 1 into this term, it is root 5 minus 3i divided by, it is in the denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. So a square it is root 5 the whole square, root 5 the whole square minus b square andre 3i the whole square ಆಗ್ತದೆ, minus b square andre 3i the whole square. So we'll simplify this further. Z inverse which is equals to, so root 5 minus 3i as it is, root 5 minus 3i divided by, it is, so see here, square and root get cancelled, so we get only 5 minus, so here square applies to the first term as well as to the second term. 3 square it is 9 into I square. In the next step, z inverse which is equals to root 5 then minus 3i divided by 5, I square andre minus 1 re, minus into minus plus ಆಗ್ತದೆ, we get plus 9. So now z inverse which is equals to root 5 minus 3i divided by 5 plus 9 it is 14. Then z inverse which is equals to, so it is root 5 by 14, then plus I into minus 3 by 14, this is there in the standard form now, a plus ib. So this is the multiplicative inverse of root 5 plus 3i, and we are left out with the last one, that is minus I. Well, let us solve the 13th one, it is minus I. Z which is equals to minus I. Now we will have to go for z inverse, that is 1 by z. So z inverse which is equals to 1 by minus I. We should not have I term in the denominator. So in order to eliminate this, we have to multiply and divide by I. Okay. Z inverse which is equals to 1 by minus I multiply and divide by I. Then I into 1 it is I, z inverse which is equals to I divided by, minus write it as it is, then I into I will be I square. Then z inverse which is equals to I in the numerator as it is divided by minus I have written as it is, I square andre enadri minus 1 ada, it is minus 1. So now z inverse which is equals to I by minus into minus, it is plus I by 1 or I. Z inverse which is equals to I. How do you write this in the form of a plus ib? Here we have only the imaginary term, andre real part miss agidare, adannu 0 anta barkobeku. So it is 0 plus I. This is the required answer for the 13th problem. And we have one more problem in this exercise, that is the 14th one. So we'll write the 14th question. Express the following in the form of a plus ib. So they have given a question that we have to express in form of a plus ib. So we'll write the 14th one. It is 3 plus I root 5 and then 3 minus I root 5 divided by root 3 divided by root 3 plus root 2i, root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3 minus I root 2 I root 2. So we have to express in the form of a plus ib. So see here. So now the numerator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So it is a square minus b square andre I into root 5 the whole square divided by, so it is write the first term as it is root 3 plus root 2i as it is, and then multiply minus inside the bracket. What do we get now? Minus root 3 and then minus into minus, it is plus I into root 2. I into root 2. Now we have to simplify this. So here 3 square will be 9. So now 3 square, it is 9, then minus, so we get I square into root 5 the whole square divided by then plus root 3 minus root 3 get cancels, and then we have root 2i and I root 2 both are same, andre 2 root 2i agtadri, we get 2 root 2i. Now in the next steps this square and root get cancels, 9 then minus I square, it is minus 1, so I write minus 1 minus 1 into 5 divided by 2 times root 2i, andre 2 times root 2i agtadu. Then here so now see here minus into minus, it is plus 5 into 1, it is 5, andre 9 plus 5 agtadri numerator, 9 plus 5 divided by 2 root 2i. So now 9 plus 5 will be 14, so 14 divided by 2 times root 2i, so here 2 ones are 2 sevens are, so we get 7 by root 2i, but we should not have I term and root 2 in the denominator. So what I do is I multiply and divide by root 2i. 7 by root 2i, then multiply and divide by root 2i. Then 7 into root 2i will be the numerator. 7 into root 2i divided by root 2 into root 2 will be root 4. What is root 4? It is 2. Then I into I will be I square. I square ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಹೌದ್ರಿ. Then which is equals to 7 times root 2 I divided by, so what do we have? Divided by 2 into I square, it is minus 1. I square ಅಂದರೆ minus 1 ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೌದ್ರಿ. Then overall we have 7 root 2i divided by minus 2, and this minus sign can be written in the numerator. Minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ denominator ಬರೆದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So the meaning will not change. So minus 7 root 2i divided by 2. So here we have only the imaginary part. That means real part is missing. So what I do is 0 plus I into minus 7 root 2 by 2. Minus 7 plus I into 0 plus I into minus 7 times root 2 by 2. So this is the required answer for the 14th problem. So with this we have completed the exercise 5.1. In tomorrow's class we'll continue with the next concept. Thank you.